We all have systems for integration in our cultivation facilities, capturing information on fertigation, capturing information on set point accuracy, and those are great. They help us on a day-to-day track our success. But sometimes it's important to get some granular data. Pick up some hand tools, know how to use them. Go in and validate the sensors, validate the sensor placements, and validate the data that you're collecting. So when you make an action plan, you can be really confident that it's guiding you towards repeatable, consistent success. The Miami Mango team was nice enough to let us get our tool bag open and start using them in the space. And we thought, hey, let's share that information. Let's talk about the tools we're using and why we use them. First off, digital hygrometer. We like to take that with its little magnet, put it up in the grow somewhere, and that's going to collect information on temperature and humidity from the ambient conditions. So we really know what we're doing outside of the canopy level. And again, as you guys know, emissivity adjusted IR gun, of course we brought that to collect the leaf temperatures. So we know the difference between the temperature of the leaf and the temperature of the ambient condition in the space. So we can most appropriately control our mechanical solutions to guide the plant vitality according to leaf temperature. Also, we want to make sure we're honest, use a FLIR gun, forward-looking infrared, to take a look at the supply, the return, the dehumidifiers in the space, see who's creating heat and how much heat they're creating. It allows us to see the lights, above the lights, below the lights, and down here at the canopy level on what all these mechanical solutions are doing to change the thermal load in the space. In addition, we've got a EPAR meter in this case to collect light intensity, both at the light level, at the canopy level, midway through the light level, so that guides these SOPs. The plants in this room right now are being defoliated, which is guided by light intensity. We're trying to open up the canopy and make sure more light can permit. We're also trying to open up the canopy and make sure air can flow through, which is exactly why we bring some form of hygrometer or anemometer. Sorry, in this case, there's a vane anemometer, something we don't use too much of anymore. Really hard to get a good accurate reading, hard to find a good location for it, versus a hot wire anemometer, which sends energy to this little platinum strip. And as air passes by it, it has to cool. That's how we know how much air passed by and what velocity. And that allows us to take measurements above the canopy, within the canopy, and down at the root zone to see what's going on from an airflow perspective. Again, all indicating the appropriate SOPs like defoliation and airflow management for crop success.